everyone, I am Huma. Today's lesson is about storytelling. Today we will learn how to write a story. There are some tips to follow while writing a story. Do you know what is a story? Story tells us about what happened. Story has three parts: beginning, middle, and ending. Let's learn more about these parts. Beginning includes setting, characters, what has happened, where it has happened, and how it has happened. Always mention weather, time, and place for more detailing. Middle. It sometimes have a problem, or sometimes something special and excited happens. Ending. At the end of the story, we find out the solution of the problem. Sometimes it has a happy or a sad ending. Little friends, it's time to make a story. For example, just look at the picture and imagine a story. Golden fish. A year ago, Sam decided to go for fishing. His dog joined him. Sam sat down at fresh grass on one side of the lake. He waited for half an hour and suddenly his fishing rod started to move. He pulled it hard. He caught a golden fish. He took it home. Mom prepared the fish in dinner. All the family members said thank you to Sam for tasty fresh fish. Thanks for watching the video.